Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Hey everybody, checking back in on gold, starting with the dollar. So we're still holding this uptrend support line I drew in the last video. We came close to it, bounced, so we could stay within this trend for a couple more days here. There's a lot of space where we have these higher lows and our clear double top, so a bit of an ascending triangle pattern where you have a horizontal resistance and a higher low pattern as the range gets tighter and tighter. And not much to see there with the action that took place today and the support and resistance. Looks like we do have a little double top at 102.10, the high of the day, then the pullback, and then a double top. So 102.10 is short-term resistance, and that goes back here. We hit 102.06, 102.12. So a little bit of previous resistance, still acting as resistance. But the main levels I'm concerned with are this higher low pattern and 102.52 double top. So looking at gold, we are continuing strong. Higher lows and higher highs, bulls still in full control. And we had that key resistance. I drew this resistance line in yesterday's video. And then this morning we came up and hit it and rejected, but the bulls maintained the higher lows. Saw a bull break. We ended up pulling back, but again, just another higher low. And now the bulls are battling around that resistance again at 1187. So the high we've seen on this move now is 1190.45. We're inching closer and closer to that 1200 psychological resistance. We look at the 4-hour chart and we can see that level 1187.83. That resistance line is coming from back here. And then we're looking up at 1197.46. So bulls still in control of this trend. And I would say bulls are in control of this trend until we lose. If we lose 1180, that's a bit of a heads up. If we lose 1170, then the bulls need to be concerned. And that's my opinion because we held that support a couple times. So ideal that the bulls continue to hold 1170 going forward. Silver made a nice bull break. We had a quadruple top just below 1670. Clear bull break when gold had that bull break to hit higher highs. So the precious metals continuing to see upside. Let's check in on GDX and GDXJ. So GDX still sideways trading, and it's normal and healthy consolidation. As long as the bulls don't give back significant gains, as long as we don't see increasing bear volume, any kind of consolidation that's sideways favors the bulls, in my opinion. We broke to a higher high and a lower low today. So an indecision doji pretty much sums it up. Bulls and the bears battling here, and indecision not giving us a clear direction into what to anticipate tomorrow. So resistance here is 2296, 2309, 2335 is the high we've seen on this move. We're still battling this middle Bollinger Band weekly resistance. That level's up at 2303. We'll see where we close this week relative to that level. We still have 3 trading days left to go, so certainly a lot can change. Checking in on GDXJ, we know it was stronger yesterday, and it's stronger again today. So it's a completely different pattern where we have higher lows and higher highs the past 3 days, and you look at GDX, and that's not the case. We didn't maintain higher lows today. We didn't get a higher high yesterday. So there's definite discrepancies between these two names. If I had to choose, I would certainly want to be in GDXJ this week. We do have moving average resistance up here. The high we've seen on this move is 37.47, and we even broke that level. So GDXJ, higher highs, and bulls stronger. Key resistances are at 37.50 and 37.77, the 100 and 200 day moving average. And again, it's all about this gold trend. Let's look at it one more time on the hourly. Let's also look at GDXJ on the weekly first here. That middle Bollinger Band is support. So if we close above 36.32, this middle Bollinger Band is going to be support for the first time in about 3 or 4 months, and that is significant. We're keeping our eye out for a bull MACD cross. We have the bull TCG cross of the 4 and 8 period exponential moving average. We don't, or actually we do have that on GDX as well, just not as strong a move. So again, looking at gold, 1182 is support, 1180 is ideal for the bulls to hold, and 1170 is a must hold in my opinion. We'll see. Ideal scenario for the bulls would be for the dollar to break this uptrend support line and head back down towards the mid to low 101 region. So that's what we're looking at. Gold bulls still in control. See how long this keeps up. We'll check back in tomorrow as always. Thanks for watching.